For the month of May, I made no money. Just kidding, I flipped two pieces of furniture, one being a desk that I got back in March, and then one being a small dresser that I got back in February. Hey there, welcome to Sla Art Refinishings. My name is Garrett, and in this video we're gonna go over my performance, how many pieces of furniture I flipped and refinished, and all that good stuff. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I upload a new video every Sunday at 7 p.m. Don't miss out on any of these projects, man. So the first project that I flipped was a desk that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $10. It was a very nice desk, all wood, had really nice drawers and really nice handles that I ended up reusing. I sanded and stained the top. I sanded the rest of the dresser, including the drawers, and painted them with a blue-gray Beyond paint. And I spray painted the handles a matte black color and flipped it for $50. It did take quite a bit of time, about a month and a half to sell. I priced it high in hopes of getting $200, I think was the original price. I started dropping the price week by week, and eventually I kept it at $50, and about a week or two later it finally sold. The one thing that I learned from doing this desk project, I did quite a bit of research online through Facebook groups and watched some YouTube videos from other people who refinish furniture. And desks are unfortunately not the way to go. If you're looking to make some profit flipping furniture, dressers are the way to go. Don't do this, but I wanted to give a more of an in-depth kind of personal feel on how I edit my photos and get them ready to post. So I have this app, I'll type it out right here. This is how I get all of my photos ready. I can blur out the background or I can brighten up the photo. It's very, very handy to have, and the best part of it is it's free. So if you flip furniture, definitely get this app. It could be a game changer for you and help sell your furniture even faster. My second piece of furniture that I flipped for the month of May was this small particle board dresser that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $20. It was a very small dresser, kind of too big to be a nightstand or end table, but too small to be considered a dresser, so it was an awkward size. And again, I priced it at $130 when I was all finished sanding it down. I primed it, painted it, top coated it, all that good stuff. Reused the handles as well and spray painted them a matte black. I really like the way this one turned out, just like the desk. Beautiful pieces for both of those. I think I did a pretty good job. But again, I priced it high at $130, and about a month and a half, maybe even 2 months later, the piece sold for $40. So both those pieces were kind of a fail. The desk, I'd stay away from desks from now on. I'm just going to focus on dressers if I'm looking to make a little bit of money here. And then this purple dresser being a small sized dresser, it wasn't as big as people would liked it to be, I think, is the main reason why people didn't want it. But let me know what you guys think down below for what the main reason was for the dresser taking so long to sell. So I am currently in the Sla Art Refinishing studios. We have two small end tables. I'm refinishing these for my sister. They should be done next week at the latest. I'm just gonna show you a couple of my projects I have going on in the garage. We have this old coffee table. I started sanding it and painting it. I'm about done with this one. Then let's walk outside into the driveway. And here I have this dresser. I got this about a month ago. It's very nice. I had this kind of fake looking marble top on it. I peeled that off last night, and then those are the drawers right there. I'm going to sand and stain the drawers, and then I'm going to sand and paint the rest of the dresser a light green color like this guy right here, and I think it's going to turn out very nice. I'm going to reuse the hardware. Hardware is pretty nice. One of the issues I had with this dresser so far that I've been procrastinating on, if I'm being completely honest with you, was this bottom drawer here. it was sagging and dragging on the wood right here every time you pulled it out. So I was trying to figure out what was going on here, and I finally figured it out a month later because I was so unmotivated. These little guys right here hold that dresser drawer up, and a lot of them are missing. So I figured out, I can't take credit for this, but I figured out online, some other people who refinish furniture, they use these little push pins. There are furniture specific ones that you can get at Walmart, I believe, is what people were saying. But the ones I used were just push pin tacks, you know, the little white ones. And that fixed the issue. So huge success right there. Glad we finally got that figured out. So stay tuned for this project within the next coming weeks. And then we're gonna walk on over here. I found this with two of my friends while we were out driving the old Wagoneer last weekend. I'd consider it a coffee hutch or a coffee bar. It was all white originally, painted it light green. Found it free on the curb, so of course you gotta snag something like this, especially this nice. Paint it light green. Gonna put some liners here, maybe some hooks to hang some mugs. It's got a wood drawer that goes right here. The whole thing is wood too, by the way, which is super nice. Gonna stain and seal wood there. Then it's gonna have wood here. Then I'm gonna stain and seal the top right here. And this top, these two shelves. Thought it'd be kind of cool to keep some of the white. And then I did burn through some of my edges while I was doing a light sand. I did that on purpose. I thought it would look really cool. Just kind of give it a rustic farmhouse kind of look. I really like this, how it's coming out. One of the issues I had with this piece of furniture was these two doors are warped. It's hard to see right now, but stay tuned for this project video within the next couple of weeks. I'll go into all the details then. Oh, I also refinished a desk for my sister. Got the desk for 20 bucks from Facebook Marketplace. Unfortunately, it wasn't all wood, it was all particle board. I tried to do more of a rustic farmhouse kind of a look. I tried to mimic this dresser that I did about 2 years ago now. Didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted it, but I gave it my best shot. It was for my sister and she likes it. You smash that thumbs up button if you're excited for these last two projects. I'm pretty excited to see how they're gonna turn out. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe for a new Sunday video at 7 p.m. Again, every Sunday. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video and come back. I really appreciate all the support and everyone watching these videos. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.